Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to save video post on Facebook as draft. Saving video post on Facebook as draft is quite simple and easy to do. Let's get started. First of all, open Facebook. Now click on Reel. Now select a reel. After selecting the reel, what you have to do, simply click on next button in the bottom right corner. Now here you are seeing different buttons. Simply click on file icon at the bottom left corner. Now click on save as draft. Your video will be saved as draft. Now go back and again click on reel. Now here you can see continue editing your latest draft video. Now this is the way you can save your Facebook post as draft and you can publish it whenever you want. So that's it for today. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you. Goodbye.